going to show you a couple of really fast, fun DIYs, things you can make. These are jewelry boxes I got from, I think it was TJ Maxx. And so you can pull the drawers out and you have a place for your jewelry. Well, and I know they were at least like, I don't know, $9, $10, some dollars like that. But here, I got these at the Dollar Tree. And so they have all different sizes. And first you want to take off this sticker because you don't want that to show through. This is the fastest ever. I mean, this is cute for you to give a gift and put jewelries in and give it to someone. And so, okay, so sorry, I want to get that off. So the drawers, you got to make sure that when you glue them on, they pull out. You don't want it upside down and then, oops, they're glued upside down. So I went ahead and I just glued these three together. And you can do them side by side. You can do them not just like that, and side by side. But the space I have in my closet, this was perfect. And so here's all the magic to it. So I just take some super glue, or that 1600 is probably better, but this is what I have right here. So I'm just going to put the little glue around like this and across so it adheres. Then I'm just going to take my glue gun so that I don't have to wait for that super glue to be drying. And this will help adhere. And you put the Gorilla Glue right in between where you put this super glue, and you have, oh good, I did do it right. I don't want to super glue my fingers. And you're just going to glue this right on top like that. Okay, so the other ones, they just had little black cloth in there. You can get felt or whatever and cut it to the size, put it in there so you don't see the glue. Identical. And this was only, so it's $1.25, right? $1, 2, 3, 4, $5. And you have a cute little gift that you can have for your little granddaughter, a friend, and just put a piece of nice jewelry in there for them and wrap it up, and you've got a gift. Okay, second one for summer. I love twinkle lights in our backyard. I have them everywhere. And so I like solar. These are at the Dollar Tree. They already have the hanger on it. It's a jar. And you know, you can go there and get the light sticks. Now, I had already done this, so it's not connected, but they had the solar lights and then they have the stick to go into the ground. I just unscrewed the top, and you can see right in there, that's the part you're gonna have the solar. This collects the sun. And then I hang it by those shepherd crooks, like that, hooks. And then you hang them around like a walkway, and you have instant solar light, and they're so pretty at night, and these last so long. I mean, like a year and a half, and they're cheap, aren't they? You can get a lot of these. And so that's the second real quick one that I had for you today. And I'll get back with you with some more ideas, and I hope you're having fun, and I hope you're trying these. And please take a picture of something and show us so we can see what you're making. Bye for now.